The Association of Local Governments of Nigeria for Rivers State don accuse Governor Gov Fubara of illegal withholding of funds wey dem suppose use for the 23 local government areas for the state, and say even with the court order wey stop the Rivers State government from withholding the financial allocation of local government area for the state, their funding still dey withheld. Chairman Association of Local Governments of Nigeria for Rivers State, Allwell in Honda, for one talk session with Tori people for Port Harcourt, come talk say the governor no dey work again with political office holders for the council, while alleging say Governor Fubara dey find ways to put aside the local government system. E consti tok say the council chairman no dey function properly again sake of say no allocation to take pay workers' salary as at when due, and say the people for grassroots dey receive poor welfare packages as money no dey to take care of them. E con call on Presido Tinubu to call the governor to order to avoid the breakdown of law and order.
It has come to the notice of our Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, ALGON River State Chapter, that the River State government, under the leadership of His Excellency Sir Fubara GSS-RS, has neglected, failed, and deliberately refused to hold the statutory Joint Account Allocation Committee meeting (JAC), which is the prerequisite for the release and disbursement of funds due to the local governments in the State Joint Local Government Account, and has continued to withhold the statutory allocation due to the 23 local government councils of River State since the month of April 2024, and in the case of Emohua since March 2024 till date for no just cause. It is even more worrisome to note that the governor of River State took the decision to withhold the statutory allocation in this case in flagrant violation of the subsisting interim order of the federal court. Yes, if the governor has refused to live up to his expectation, then it's expected that some drastic measures should be taken against the governor of the state, and that she should be called to order.
We want to tell the world that we can't function. Our monies have been withheld. Promotions are done without our input. Directives to local government chairmen come from bottom to top. Security men are used against the chairman. In my own local government, for instance, since March, I have not had access to money, and there have been resurgence of crime on the East-West Road. I was able to literally rescue 9 victims. Some of the kidnappers were paraded by the Commissioner of Police here yesterday. So it is a very difficult thing for us.
On top of the local government election, legal advisor of Association of Local Governments of Nigeria for Rivers State, Eratus Awotu, contact said the Rivers State Assembly don't see say no action dey on ground to conduct the elections, and can call on them to do check on the governor.
By now, local government elections ought to have been conducted and concluded, waiting for swearing in. The Assembly has seen that no action has been taken in respect of conducting the local government election, and in their wisdom, saying there shouldn't be any vacuum. We must maintain a democratically elected system as guaranteed in the law. But what we are seeing is associates of the governor making comments like on the 17th of, even from the governor himself, on the 17th, on the 18th, they are going to invade the local government offices.
Make una not forget say, as we see them, now so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.